Hey, my name's Ben and I'm reviewing the Sunman eArc 185W panel, which I've got right here. I've recently purchased this from Caravan RV Camping, and one of the main reasons I got this panel is that many of you might not realise who are building vans, and so you can see here our camper van that we're building, is that there's a weight limit on the roof, and if you get that wrong, you can be in all sorts of trouble. So thinking about what's on the roof in terms of our air conditioner, fans, a roof rack, and then of course solar panels, the last thing I wanted to do was to compromise the weight limit that we've got on the van, and so that's why I chose this. Now check this out, look how light it is. Right? I'm lifting it with hardly any strength whatsoever. These are only a few kilos, and so there's no way I'm going to compromise the weight limit, which is pretty amazing. This one's 185 kilowatt. They go up in size as well, and you can get larger ones. But simple connections with the MC4 connectors, and the cool part is you can actually glue them to the roof. They're actually designed to be not drilled and screwed into the roof, but also to be glued. So installation is going to be super easy. So I can't wait to get this baby and a few others up on the roof to support my solar requirements for this camper van we're building. Cheers.